My recipe today is a bruschetta topping, a pasta sauce, and/or a dip for crackers and chips. It has a special kind of pesto sauce, and it only takes 45 minutes. Are you ready to cook? Let's go! It's a bruschetta topping, it's a pasta sauce, it's a dip for crackers and chips. Here are the ingredients: onion, mushrooms, eggplant, olive oil, pesto, red pesto, mashed beans, bouillon, pepper, garlic, and Italian spices. Chop the eggplant into medium-sized chunks. Lay it out on a dish towel. Sprinkle it with salt to get rid of any moisture. After a little while, wipe with the paper towel to get rid of the moisture and the salt. Add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a Dutch oven. Add the onions and cook to golden brown. Saute the onion on medium-high heat until you start smelling its fragrance. After about 10 minutes, when the onion is getting browned, add the mushrooms. Whenever you cook, just taste as you go. Don't add too much seasoning at a time. Just add a little bit at a time. Flavors get stronger after the food is cooked and cooled. Add the pepper. Add the eggplant and mix it well. Not shown. Mix 1/4 teaspoon bouillon with 1/4 cup water and add to the mixture. Don't make the mixture too wet. You just want to have it nice and stirrable. Add the Italian herbs and garlic. I'm adding 7 crushed cloves of garlic. You might want more or less. This gets mellow as it cooks. Lower the heat to medium-low. Add the mashed beans and mix with the other ingredients. Taste to see if you need to add anything. If you like hot pepper and hot seasoning, you can add that now. Now for the special ingredient, the red pesto. It's made from sun-dried tomatoes. Add half a jar. You'll love the rich, deep flavor that it gives the sauce. Time to toast the bread for bruschetta or boil the noodles for pasta. Bruschetta sauce should be drier than pasta sauce. If you're serving pasta tonight, add more water than you would if you were having bruschetta. Taste again, the food's almost ready. Dinner's served. I'm having bruschetta and a salad. If you like creative vegetarian recipes like this, please subscribe and like this video. The dogs send their love.